Hello my subscribers, hello everyone who's watching this video right now. Today I just want to show you how you can make money with my system. Because a lot of the people asking me for help every time to give them some money like $50 maybe $100. But I create the system for free which everyone can use it and make money with this. This is, I think, more exciting than just the money, because money every time the people spend, and really important to make the money every single day. If you are not making this, nothing will change in your life. So that's why I created the system, education system, so everyone can receive the knowledge plus on their own language, because we have the three languages here, right here. You can see the Russian, you can see Germany, and you can see the English. So perfect. And you can see that the system is absolutely free. You just need to make the simple registration. You just learn the information, what is inside the system. And this knowledge will help you to make the money online every single day. So just right now, I want to show you what is inside the system so you will understand how this works. And this is absolutely free worldwide. So guys, you must make right now, what you must do? You just need to go in the description and find the link, make the registration. So it's really simple. You don't need to pay for that. You just go in the description, find the link, system revolution 360, and you must provide the information. Really simple. I will make the example for you so you will understand how this works. So I will provide here the test. You will provide your name. You will provide your username. It's really important. So here's the test. I will make the password really simple. 1 2 3 4 5, and here's the 1 2 3 4 5. Mail address. You can use any mail address. I think everyone will work great. I just made the new mail address on the gmail.com, so you can see it's rv360team.gmail.com. Here also I will confirm it. And really important, right here in the button phone, on the field phone, you must provide your phone with plus. Why? Because inside the system, you will see right now, you will receive your personal supporter, your personal assistant who will help you with everything inside the system. This is also free, so you must make just like this, like provide, for example, for India maybe, it will be +91 and then some number, I don't know, something like that. So really important to provide the number with plus, and really important to provide that number which created for the WhatsApp or maybe for Viber, so people can be connected. Right now you will see how this works. So after this, you need to click button register. Also, you can watch the video right here. Here's we have the video.
Hello, my dear friend. Right now, you have a chance to join our educational platform.
Yeah, this video by Larry Lane from Los Angeles, California. This guy is the millionaire, and he created a lot of the businesses. So he also helped me to make this system, and it's working great. So after when you provide all the information, you must click the button register. Simple, yeah. Just waiting for the few seconds, and after that, guys, you must go inside your mailbox and confirm your registration. This is really important, because without the invitation, you cannot log in the system. Because right now, if I will click enter the system, you can see, yeah, I just must provide my information. Yeah, I must provide my login and my email. But right here, I don't have nothing. So what I must do? I must go where I must go to my mailbox, and you see that account is created. Yeah, account details for test revolution 360. So you just click this mail. Yeah, you just click this, what you will receive on your mail, and you can see right here is your username and your password which you provide, and you must click this link to activate. Yeah, it's activated. So it's really simple. This is test account. I just provided right here now my name, test, which I provide, and I provide simple password 1 2 3 4 5. So click the button log in. So right now you will see what is inside the system. Yeah, guys, after when you log in the system, you will receive many incredible stuff. Why? Because you can receive the knowledge online. Every time we're doing really perfect education, and we're doing this for free, like I said. So what you will receive inside the system, you will receive the timetable. It's right here. You will receive it, and here you can see what kind of the events will be, upcoming events. Also, it's really excited because we're doing events on the 3 languages. Right now you can see that events on Russian and events on English. So after that, when you will see when will be this event, you just need to go right here, you open, and you can see what kind of the event will be, about what, about the business, or maybe about some products, or about some trainings, or about that what we'll do inside the system. You just watching what kind of the event it will be, about what. You can see your time, right here, and when will be the time exactly. Also you can see that right here is the timer, it's going, yeah, you can see it's right here. So 3 days, 5 hours and 2 minutes will be to the presentation, to the education. So in the special moment, you just must to click live stream button, guys. You just click the live stream in the special moment, in the time when will be the presentation, when will be the education, or maybe some training about the business, about all that stuff, and watch it online. Yeah, you just watch it online. You didn't pay for that, nothing. You receive the knowledge inside the system absolutely free. You just understand how to start to make money online, because you know, many people, they trying to tell you, listen, like, buy from me some info course about how to make money online, some training. But here, guys, absolutely free. All you need to do, just learn the ways how to make money online by the live. You know, inside the system, you can use that live. Also, what we have right here, you will receive your personal back office. Inside the back office, you can upload your photos. You can just click the button edit. You can upload some of your photos. It will be right here, upload avatar and all that stuff. You can upload right here. So this will be your account will be with photo. It's really important, because when the people will see your account, they will communicate with you. We have a lot of the incredible people inside the system which can help each other to build great business, you know, and we are every time support each other. So all what you have also here, you will have your personal sponsor. You must just click on that link, who is your sponsor, and you can see that right here is my name. Yeah, you can see the team wider right here. You can see that my avatar right here, yeah, my photo, and you can see all my contacts. Yeah, you can see my contacts, you can see everything what is right here, and you can just contact me. So all the people who is inside the system, they support each other and explain them how to make the money online. This is really great, because that business which we doing inside the system, it's really incredible, it's worldwide. But what is the more incredible, that you can receive knowledge about that, how to make money online absolutely for free. I know that nobody doing that before. I know that right now nobody doing this, and I'm really excited about that, because we are the first one who are created this kind of the system. Also, when there will be live stream, guys, when there will be live stream, you can just click the button live stream. You can just, you know, communicate with the speaker about that guy who will make the presentation, because sometimes maybe it will be me, sometimes it will be other people. We have right now the 3 speakers who are doing the presentation, who are teaching our people how to make money online. And you can use the chat. Chat will be right here. Right now, here is my video, but here's the chat, guys. You can just log in your account and you can see everything by your eyes, how that works. In this chat, you can speak with the speaker. You can also communicate with the other guys who are inside the system. And this is really exciting, because that environment which is inside the system is the environment of that people who have the same goals, who wants to make the money online, who wants to be healthy, who wants to get something in this life. So we don't have that kind of the people who just, you know, don't do nothing. We have really excited people who are really faded on success, because with our system right now is really simple. All you need to do, like I said, you just need to make the registration right now, link in the description. Then you just need to click timetable, and we'll see what kind of the events will be. Every time will be the new events from the 16th of the February, then 19, and after that every day you will see that what kind of the events will be inside the system. So you can learn many things. You can learn the things about the business. You can learn the things about exactly how to make money online fast. You can learn about the trainings, because all of that we teach the people, and we teach for free. So it's look like the same like you learning in the school, for example, or for that people who was in the school or maybe in the university. But in the university, you pay a lot of the money for the education, and that education not every time brings the money, because I have a lot of the examples in my city, you know, from that people with which one I was communicating before. They, you know, spent a lot of the money on the education in the university. I don't want to say that university is not important. It's very important. But as we see, obviously not every time people is successful after when they will finish university. Not every time they find the great business, they find a great job and all that stuff. They cannot create it, because not every time the university will give you that knowledge which can help you to build a business, for example, or to work for the great money. So what you will see inside Revolution 360, this is the system which will give you every time education. And this education will help you to make money. We make in this life. You can every time learn something new, and it's really excited, because you will see how many people join the system. You will see what kind of the people right here. And this is really powerful, guys. I'm really excited because I'm created. You can see that my copyright is right here. The system is created just by me. So I make it really free for everyone. It doesn't matter where you live. Absolutely. You can be in Africa, you can be in the United States of America, Germany, Canada, China. It doesn't matter where you live. If you want to make money, if you want to get the education for free, education about that, how to make money online. So this right here in the Revolution 360. Link in the description, guys. Really simple registration. You just go through that link, you make the registration, see when there will be the next event, see when there will be the next training and all that stuff, and learn on the live trainings, guys. This is the free. I don't know nobody who provides something like this, and I really believe that in the future we will have a lot of the people right here, and right now you can be the first one who will join the system, who will understand how this works and start just to work with us. And what is really excited for that people who will share this, for that people who will be the most popular right here in the system, we will make some bonuses, we'll pay some money or doing some vacation. You know, it will be really excited stuff. Just I don't want to tell all the ideas which I have right now, but I really want to tell you that this system will be really excited. So I invite everybody who is interested. Is absolutely free. Make the registration right now. Start to make the money with us. Get the education about the business. This is the really excited on the 100%. So guys, we'll see you in the next video. Of course, stay blessed.